Students, this question was asked in IIT JEE Main 2022 from the chapter Units and Dimensions. Which of the following physical quantities have different dimensions? That means, student, three pairs have same dimensions. The fourth one has different dimensions. Let us verify. Wave number. What is wave number, student? The number of waves per unit length, or the number of waves of a radiation in 1 meter. That is called wave number. So n is equal to 1 by lambda. And what is reverse constant, student? We have come across reverse constant in the Niels Bohr theory of hydrogen atom, student. That is 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 minus 1 by n2. When an electron from orbit n1 jumps to the orbit n2, the number of waves per unit length is determined by this relationship. This gives the relations between the orbitals, the jumping of the electron between the orbitals and its wavelength of the radiation emitted. Okay, student. So these n1 and n2 are pure numbers. So what will be the dimensions of R or constant according to homogeneity of dimensions? Radical constant has same dimensions as 1 by lambda or wave number. So both of them have the same dimensions together. Then what is stress? Stress is F by A, or force per unit area. Okay, student, force per area is stress, and coefficient of elasticity Y is stress upon strain. Okay, student, and what is strain? That means stress upon strain is delta L by L, where delta L is the change in length and L is the original length. Or this may be delta A by A, change in area upon original area, or delta V by V, the change in volume or original volume. Okay, student, that means change in dimensions upon the original dimensions. So both have the same dimensions, and these two terms will cancel because this will be L by L. Okay, student, they will cancel each other, and Y will have the same dimensions as stress. So both of them also have the same dimensions, that are stress or force by area, or n Lt minus 2 upon L2, or n L minus 1 T minus 2, same as that of pressure, students. Okay, student? Then let us study the third pair. What is the third pair? That is coercivity and magnetization. Students, what is coercivity? Coercivity is the magnetization required to demagnetize a ferromagnetic material completely. So by definition, it is a magnetization. Okay, student. Then they are both the same physical quantities, so they have the same dimensions. And specific heat capacity and latent heat, the fourth pair. Let us see specific heat capacity, student. That is given by the relationship Q is equal to m as theta. This is the specific heat, and this the formula of specific heat is Q by m theta. And student, this ms is known as mass into specific heat, is known as specific heat capacity. So ms will have dimensions Q by theta, and that is equal to, student, ml2 T minus 2 heat is a form of energy we know, and theta is K degree Kelvin. Then this becomes ml2 T minus 2 K to the power minus 1. This will be the dimensions of specific heat capacity. And latent heat, student, we know Q is equal to ml, where L is the latent heat of the body, m is its mass, and Q is the heat energy content. So the formula for latent is, student, Q by M where Q is the heat energy, ml2T minus 2 is the dimensional formula upon M. So student, this becomes L2T minus 2. So watch, both of them have different dimensions. So option D is the correct option here, students.